Mhaka Goan, Konkani, that's all I can say. Of course, my gratitude to the Minister of Art and Culture, Mr. Gaur ji, whom I just met, and very rightly the Ministry of Art and Culture has come to him because if you don't know, he's an actor too, right? And he played the role of Sambhaji in a play, if you're aware, and so kind of the ministry seems to be in the right hands. And of course, my gratitude to Shri Ashok Patil ji, I don't know where he is, and then to the secretary and to the director as well. And of course, my gratitude to each and every single one of you. Mhaka Goan, Konkani, that's all I can say. I'm going to do it in English. But my gratitude to the entire team who's organizing this festival. It's a legacy. 14 years and going is a legacy, right? Of thought leadership. Like they say, watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become your character. And watch your character, it becomes your destiny. It all begins with a thought. And therefore to have a festival which is revolving around thoughts, ideas, thought leadership is definitely a great initiative and contribution from the government of Goa and the Ministry of Art and Culture to the residents of Goa. So congratulations to them, and we should give a loud round of applause for organizing this. Parents need to understand their children. Children need to understand their parents. Right? Friends need to understand friends. Siblings, brothers, sisters need to understand each other. Colleagues need to understand each other at work in your teams. समझ ही नहीं रहा है जी कोई, बस समझाने पे तुला हुआ है. बस तू ये कर वो कर तेरे lecturing. Sure. How does lecturing enhance relationships? Conversations too. बातचीत बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है नहीं?